Hello guys, so basically today we're gonna be making hot chocolate. This is a special like Christmas edition hot chocolate from Festive Selection. So me and my sister are going to make it. Now we're going to make it. Gotta put the milk in. Very steady. Now put it in the fridge. Put it, put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Now we're going to put it in the microwave. You want to put it in for either 2 minutes or 30 seconds. I meant 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I think that's it. Whee! Hop. I need to get tea. Back with a teaspoon. Got the hot chocolate. Whee! Oh, this hot chocolate does not look the right colour. It looks a bit lighter. And then we could show you the other hot chocolate, but we're not going to make it. See what colour it is. It smells a bit like a coffee. And my sister's a coffee majestic. So she could sort that out. My mom's going to be a bit mad at me. That's the last bit of hot chocolate. Now I have to mix it. Finish mixing. Now time for the taste test. It's a bit hot, so we'll wait for a bit. Now it's time for the taste test. It's very good. I rate it a 9 out of 10. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.